Joe Justice here. We are at Ace Adventure Resort in Oak Hill. It's one of the biggest resorts here in West Virginia. It's out in the woods. It's exciting. It's lots of fun. And I'm actually here in one of their cozy cabins for the trail maintenance weekend. You get a free stay as long as you help them out with clearing out the trails. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. I have no idea what to expect. And this is the first time I've been in one of their cozy cabins too. And I brought Clark and Ray here with me.
And there's a loft up there for us. That's a loft.
Yeah, you guys gonna sleep in the loft? Are you guys excited?
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep in that one.
What have you seen so far that you're excited about?
The hot tub.
There's a hot tub,
There's a ginormous hot tub. There's a picnic table outside. And a picnic table right here. We're gonna watch the show. There's a fireplace and a grill. And we're gonna watch the show and have some pizza. And then after that, we're gonna be in the hot tub.
We're gonna do all kinds of fun stuff. And tomorrow, I'm gonna shoot some video of the trail maintenance. We'll see what that's like together. Hopefully it's fun and exciting. I know it's gonna be some hard work. And so we'll let you know everything there is to discover here at Ace Adventure and Resort. Ace Adventure Resort is located in Oak Hill, West Virginia, just outside of Fayetteville. And there's lots of cool, exciting things there. It's April right now, so not everything is open, but there's still lots of exciting things to do here at the resort. They've got whitewater rafting, they've got rock climbing, zip lining, a water park, ATV trails, they've got bike trails, they've got hiking trails, they've got lots and lots of exciting things to do. Okay, so here we are back at the cabin after a long day with the trail maintenance team. I worked with Ace Adventure Resorts team, Levi and Dylan, and we also had another couple of couples that went with us, and we were busy clearing off a brand new trail that was going from the top all the way down to the bottom. It was just me. The boys weren't with me today, unfortunately. They're a little too young, but we were able to clear up brush, we cleared up leaves, we got any big rocks out of the way, we picked up trash. There's trash everywhere. No matter where you go, sometimes it seems like there's trash everywhere. There were tires, lots and lots of tires that we dragged out. So that's what I did today while you guys were here at the cabin. The Ace Adventure is over and here I am back home. So today's project was working on the old town. There's an overnight camp that's available there on the Ace property. And there's some old foundation and some ruins of old buildings and things that they're uncovering to use as some picnic areas and some other things. So our work today was really just clearing away the dirt and uncovering stuff that had been covered up probably 70, 80 years ago. So that was pretty cool to see, pretty fun, and great opportunity. We had to actually ride out to that. It was a long ride, and then we did all the work, came back, and then headed on home. That was it. So this was my trail maintenance weekend. We got a free 2-night stay in the cozy cottage. The boys had a blast. The whole family had fun. And it's really something exciting to see. Can't wait to go back in a few months when it's a little bit warmer and we're able to enjoy some of the other activities, some of the bike riding and some of the whitewater rafting, and especially the water park. So can't wait for that. Until then though, this is it for me. Take care.